I get a lot of emails, messages, DMs from Etsy sellers that are like, I'm devastated, my account was suspended, they won't reopen it. Or I live in a country where I can't open an Etsy store. I'm really sad about not having a business. Well, I'm here to tell you, even though I love Etsy, it's not the only platform. You could easily open a Shopify, you could have your own website. You don't have to stop just because either Etsy suspended your account or Etsy doesn't allow for you to open a store due to the country that you live in. There's so many options now to make money online. Now, I created a free blog SEO checklist. So if you are interested in starting your own business in your own website where you don't have to sell on a different platform, comment below the word blog and I will send you this checklist where I teach you how to optimize the blog correctly to drive organic traffic and tons of leads to your business.